Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Divine Shiv Shankar Tarot. This is my first YouTube channel. I have brought you this tarot reading. First tarot reading, I'll do a pick a card reading, guidance which you have to know right now. Please support my channel and subscribe, share, like, comment. Let the comments be respectful, dear friends. Please stay with me for a pick a card reading. Whoever has chosen this, have faith. This is telling you to have faith in whatever you are doing. You know already what you want from your intuition, from your spirituality. You know deep inside you what you want from the future yourself. Okay, let us take your pile. Okay, your pile has the star card. Very nice card. Second one is the Queen of Wands, and the third one is the Ace of Swords. Well, this very well goes with have faith. Okay, you are wishing upon a star. I mean, there is some wishes and desires which you want to accomplish in your near future. At present, you are in a very calm, composed, and you know clearly where you have to go in your maybe it's a job situation, maybe it's a relationship situation. You know clearly what you want, and you know the wishes, what the wishes you have that clarity in you. Okay, the Ace of Swords doesn't only say that you have that clarity, but also that Ace of Swords is telling you to do that new adventure what you want to do. Okay, maybe it's a education, maybe you want to join some classes, maybe you want to do some courses, maybe it may be also of a tarot reading also. The wishes you have in your dreams, it is telling you to bring it in action. Take action over it. And even the Queen of Wands is an action card. It is telling you to move forward with your desires, with your wishes. Okay, so pile number 1, I will draw some messages whatever you want to know right now. I have done these messages cards with my hands. These are beautiful cards with different messages. Let me see what are the messages you would like. I mean, what are the messages will come for you from the spirit, angels, gods. Okay, let me see. I am shuffling it. Okay, this fell down, these two fell down. Okay, 3 cards. Okay, let us see the first card which fell down. This is, oh my God, always on my mind, forever in my heart. This is a message for some people. It may resonate or not. It is a relationship card that it's always in your mind, forever in your heart. So it is telling you to take action right now. Okay, and when I love you, I realized I have never truly loved anyone. I realized I never will truly love anyone the way I love you. Okay, someone has Queen of Wands in their life. Some people over there, not everybody. And this is telling that the love is the true love. Okay, people who think they are lucky actually are. Wow, this has come with the Ace of Swords. The people who think are lucky are actually are. So take the action. Have faith in yourself. Okay, pile number 1, this was your messages. If it resonated with you, I am very happy, and if it didn't, it wasn't for you. Okay, check the other 2 piles. Sometimes intuitions fail. Okay, thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Please like, share it. Okay, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you, pile number 1. Thank Namaste, pile number 2. The people whoever has chosen the sign infinity. Infinity is a sign, Infinity means it never ends. You have a never ending love, you have a never ending, resources. Everything is never ending. It's infinity in you. Your spirituality is infinity. Okay, you are all positive people. Pile number 2, whoever has chosen this, let me start your reading. First card is the 8 of Cups. The second card is 8 of Pentacles. And the third card is Page of Cups. Wow. I think this pile people have faced too much of struggle in their life. Too much of struggle. They have done everything to everyone. They know to give love and they can't take now they are not able to take the burden. People reject them easily. They take work from them, they take the love and care, affection, all from them, and they reject them easily. Now what you're doing is you're walking away from that shit, okay, and you're doing your own work. You're into yourself now you want to organize yourself in the work and you want to get these pentacles for yourself. For you, you're tired of doing you're tired of doing things to others. Now you want to come in within you. You want these pentacles in your life and you're working on it, okay. And in future you have the Page of Cups. It might be that you will do some new adventures or a new person is coming in your life with love, and this person may be younger than you and a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. This can be a love interest or somebody who sees you struggling will come towards you for a help. This might be a younger person than you. This might be your son. Everybody should think not in only one direction. There are many directions in life. Only the love interest is not the one thing. Even when you are struggling with things in a life, children give us answers, right? This is what this is telling you. Someone who sees you struggling will come with an offer towards you, telling that stop this struggling, do this, okay. This is what the guidance is coming for you people, okay. And now I am going to draw some handmade messages done by me. These are the handmade messages done by me. Let me see what messages comes for you. And you should be very you should think that you shouldn't be over indulgence in doing your own work, okay. Don't do that. Don't overdo the things more. Give your time for yourself. Do the work, but give the time for your self-care, okay. This came out. And don't think that nobody loves you. First love yourself, okay, pile number 2. And when you love yourself, everything will come to you, okay. Don't be afraid. Got 2 cards. Okay, let me take this, okay. Pile number 2, too many cards for you, okay. Those we love never truly leave us. There are things that death cannot touch. Wow, this goes so very nice to this, okay. You have walked away from the people who are not giving you the same love you are giving others. If the people are true with their intentions, true with their love, they will never walk away from your life, Even the death can't touch it. So now you have know your worth and you are walking away from such shitty people, and you know that the true love cannot die. Okay, even death cannot touch it. And the second card, don't ignore your own potential. See, what did I say you? Don't ignore your own potential. You have that full potential to move forward. Do your work and you have that potential. Universe is telling you, God is telling you that you have this great potential that others won't see. Okay, what others won't see, that potential you have. So move forward. The second is, wow, accept nothing and expect nothing and appreciate everything. Sorry for the mispronunciation. Expect nothing and appreciate everything. See, expect nothing. You're walking away from everybody and you're expecting nothing from them back. Okay, you know that they are not worthy people and you are leaving them, and you know that you shouldn't expect anything and you want to appreciate everything. Do that. Okay, and one more card. No matter how you feel, dress up and never give up. Wow, beautiful. Pile number 2. Whatever I have told you, it's come in this card also. See, no matter how you feel, dress up, show up and never give up. Didn't I tell you, never give up on yourself? Do your self-care routine. Love yourself first. Okay, pile number 2. This was the amazing card. Okay, these are the amazing messages and guidelines what spirits, angels and God and goddesses want to give you. Pile number 2. This is more than enough for you to boost. Okay, just leave the bad situation back and move on. Okay, move on to good and better conditions. You have a victory over there. Okay, thank you, pile number 2. Thank you, pile number 2. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. If you like the reading, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Pile number 3. Welcome to your reading. You have selected Be Yourself. This is telling you to concentrate on yourself. Don't get driven away by the people telling you good things about you or bad things about you. Have balance in yourself and have faith in yourself and be yourself. Okay, let me check your cards. The first card is the Knight of Wands. The second card is the Two of Swords, and the third card is the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So pile number 3, this is telling you have a passionate job or a passionate love or everything you want to accomplish in action, but again you're stuck. Where have you stuck? In your mind, in your actions? Yes, you are stuck. There is 2 crossroads for you. You don't know where to go. You know that you have that passion. You know what are the plans you have. You have that passion towards the person or passion towards the job. You want to move towards it. But somehow you are stuck in your mind. Where to go? Whom to choose? And what next? What is the next move I have to take? You are very much stuck in your mind. And you have next card as Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is telling, don't be in a stuck mode. Please move forward. And universe is telling you that Ace of Pentacles is telling you this is a new adventure. If you move forward with your passion and dreams, you will get the pentacles. There is accomplishment in your job or in your relationship. You will get that work done. This is what this Ace of Pentacles telling you. I would like to draw some cards for Two of Swords. Let me see. for pile number 3? Why is there 2 of swords for pile number 3? Why is there 2 of swords for pile number 3? Why is there 2 of swords for pile number 3? Okay, this is the 3 of cups card. I mean, right now you don't want to take action, you want to celebrate. You just want to be free minded. You don't want to get tied up in any job offer or any person. You want to just celebrate the life. And people are telling you to take charge of your future. Some people are telling, live it. Okay, just have fun. So you're stuck between these two, taking action and living in within yourself. So the Ace of Pentacles is telling you to move forward and accomplish your dreams. This is a time for you to accomplish your dreams. The fun things you can do after accomplishing things also, right? After accomplishment, after your study in your future, you can do celebrations. Okay, there is a celebration in future also. Why now? Don't ruin your present by just celebrating it or having fun or having a light minded. Move on, move forward. Your future is waiting, it's bright enough, and somebody will come, and you have offers also coming your way. Okay, do indulge in the futuristic way. Okay, don't just indulge in the celebration. I think you have got the answer for the 2 crossroads. Don't be in that position now. Please come out of it, because you have the bright future in front of you. Don't ruin for it for the celebration's sake. Okay, and you're comparing it, right? See, 5 of swords, you're comparing it with other people's. Don't do it. Be yourself, don't compare. See, be yourself, and comparing card has come. You have the comparison that you are, oh, I am great, I am that, I am this. No. Be yourself, ground yourself. Okay, pile number 3, and move forward. You have this Ace of Pentacles coming your way. See, the Empress card. You will flourish in your if you move forward, if you remove this celebration mode from your life, then this Empress is going to flourish your life. You will be having everything. You will have the family you want, the lifestyle you want. Whatever you want, you can't accomplish in your future also. So don't get stuck only in comparing with others and celebrating. Okay, pile number 3, move on. Okay, this was the message, and I would like to bring some handmade messages by me. Let me see what does the handmade messages give you. Okay, swell down. What are the messages? What are the messages for pile number 3? What are the messages for pile number 3 cards? What are the messages for pile number 3? Okay, this wants to come out. Okay. What are the messages for pile number 3? Sorry. Never dull your shine for somebody else. See, it is so true. You are in a knight shining armor. You are a knight of wands. You are a fire energy, and fire gives light, right? So never dull your shine for somebody else. Okay, somebody else. Don't compare yourself to others. Don't dull your shine for others celebrating. Don't waste your time for that. Okay, the next card is, no matter how you feel, dress up and show up, and never give up. So nice. This card came for pile number 2 also. This tells you no matter what you feel in the sense you are in a celebration mode, you are in a comparing mode, you have the mood swings in you, and so you are in a crossroads. You can't decide what to do. So never give up. Come on, get up and do action, okay? This is what it is telling. Think before you take action and go slow. Wow, isn't it too good? See, I told you to take action, but go slow, okay? Don't hurry up things, go slow, and you will accomplish this. The Empress, see Empress, how she is. She is evergreen, ever bright. See the yellow and green in her picture. This will be your life in your future if you chose to move forward and take action for your future, okay? Take that action, okay? It might be a person also. Everything will come once you are settled down, okay? Think before you take action and go slow, okay? These were the messages for pile number 3. Hope it resonated to you, whatever the guidance you wanted. If you like the reading, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Let the comments be respectful. Thank you by stopping by me. Namaste.